This workout is called the smoker, and I got this one from Pat Flynn at Chronicles of Strength. And you're gonna ladder each side. So it's a single arm exercise, you're gonna ladder each side. So it starts out with one swing, one clean, one military press, one squat, and then you're gonna ladder that up to 5. So then you're gonna, from the 1 each, you're gonna go to 2 each. 2 swings, 2 cleans, 2 military presses, 2 squats, and you'll ladder that all the way up to 5 on one side. Then you'll switch hands, and you're gonna ladder it up from 1 to 5. You'll take a break, rest as needed between rounds. You're gonna complete a total of 2 to 3 rounds of the entire thing. So I'll run through 1 and 2 on each side to give you an idea of what it would look like. So to start out, and then you would repeat that all the way up to 5. From there, you switch hands. And again, you complete that ladder all the way to 5 on both sides, rest as needed, and then complete 2 to 3 rounds.